Did you know that a simple, fragrant leaf sitting in your kitchen could be the secret to better digestion and easier breathing after 60? You might be surprised to learn that the bay leaf, the same one you toss into soups and stews, holds powerful secrets for your well-being. Today, we're unlocking those secrets. I'll share 3 incredible things that could happen if you start drinking bay leaf tea every single day, and why this simple daily habit could make a big difference in your health. Make sure to stay until the end, because I'll also show you exactly how to brew this healing tea right at home, the right way. For thousands of years, bay leaves have been treasured far beyond the kitchen. Ancient Greeks and Romans considered them sacred crowning heroes, and using these leaves to heal the sick. But what makes bay leaves so special? They're packed with powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and essential oils with natural antimicrobial properties, helping your body stay strong and resilient as you age. Let's find out the incredible health benefits of drinking bay leaf tea every day. And trust me, you'll want to start brewing a cup by the end of this video. Benefit number 1. It calms your mind and body. In today's fast-paced and often overwhelming world, finding a moment of true peace is becoming increasingly rare, especially for seniors who may face unique daily stresses, health concerns, or even feelings of loneliness. This is exactly where bay leaf tea steps in as a natural, gentle remedy. Bay leaves are rich in a remarkable compound called linalool, a natural terpene that scientists have studied for its powerful anti-anxiety and stress-reducing effects. Linalool works by interacting with the brain's neurotransmitters, chemicals that regulate mood, relaxation, and sleep, helping to naturally lower cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone, and promoting a deep sense of calm and well-being. When you brew bay leaves for about 10 minutes, the heat gently releases these beneficial oils into the tea. As you sip, you're not just tasting a soothing herbal drink, you're actively nourishing your nervous system, encouraging your body to shift from a fight-or-flight, stress state into a more balanced, peaceful, rest and digest mode. For seniors over 60, this can be especially valuable. Managing daily anxiety, improving emotional well-being, and getting better sleep are crucial for maintaining overall health and quality of life. Many people find that making a cup of bay leaf tea part of their evening ritual, just before bedtime, helps to relax tight muscles, quiet a racing mind, and prepare the body for a deeper, more restorative sleep. Unlike traditional teas or coffees, bay leaf tea is naturally caffeine-free, meaning it won't disrupt your sleep cycle or leave you feeling jittery. Instead, it acts almost like a gentle whisper to your body, signaling that it's time to unwind, let go of the day's worries, and embrace a peaceful night's rest. Adding this simple habit to your nightly routine could be one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to support your mental health naturally as you age. Benefit number 2. It soothes achy joints. As we age, it's common for many of us to experience joint pain, whether it's from arthritis, general wear and tear, or even the simple stress that daily activities can place on our knees, hips, or other joints. If you've ever felt that familiar ache in your joints, especially when the weather turns colder or after a long day on your feet, you're certainly not alone. In fact, joint pain affects millions of seniors every year. That's where bay leaf tea can offer a gentle, yet surprisingly effective natural solution. The secret lies in the powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in bay leaves. These compounds, such as eugenol and caffeic acid, have been shown in studies to help reduce inflammation in the body. When you drink bay leaf tea, these beneficial compounds are absorbed into your bloodstream, where they work to calm down the inflammation that's often responsible for joint pain. By targeting inflammation directly, bay leaf tea helps to reduce stiffness and relieve discomfort, all without harsh chemicals or side effects. For seniors suffering from arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or other inflammatory joint conditions, adding bay leaf tea to your daily routine can be a gentle and natural way to support your joints. While bay leaf tea isn't a replacement for prescribed medication or physical therapy, it serves as a wonderful complementary remedy, providing natural anti-inflammatory support alongside more conventional treatments. And if you're looking for an extra layer of relief, there's another way to take advantage of bay leaf's healing properties, by using it as a topical compress. To do this, simply brew a strong cup of bay leaf tea, allow it to cool, and soak a clean cloth in the liquid. Apply the cooled compress directly to your achy joints, The anti-inflammatory benefits work from the outside in, providing targeted relief exactly where you need it most. Many people find that this method enhances the effects of drinking the tea, offering a dual-action approach to soothing joint pain. Whether you suffer from chronic joint discomfort or occasional aches, bay leaf tea offers a natural, safe, and effective way to help ease the pain. With regular use, it may become a valuable addition to your routine, helping you stay active, comfortable, and more mobile as you age. Benefit number 3. It helps your digestion. As we get older, many of us experience digestive discomfort more frequently, things like bloating, gas, and that uncomfortable sluggish feeling after meals. It's something that can really put a damper on your day, leaving you feeling tired and uneasy. If this sounds familiar, then bay leaf tea might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Bay leaves contain compounds that scientists call carminatives, which is a fancy term for natural substances that help ease digestive discomfort. In simple terms, bay leaves work to reduce bloating, alleviate gas, and fight that heavy, weighed-down sensation after eating. The beauty of bay leaf tea lies in how these natural compounds work harmoniously with your digestive system to bring relief. But how exactly does it help? When you drink bay leaf tea, the natural oils found in bay leaves relax the smooth muscles in your digestive tract. This gentle relaxation helps your digestive system function more efficiently, allowing food to pass through the stomach and intestines with greater ease, reducing cramping and discomfort. In addition to this, bay leaves help boost the production of digestive enzymes, the compounds that your body uses to break down food more efficiently. With the increased enzyme production, your body can absorb nutrients from your food more effectively. On top of that, bay leaves also encourage the production of protective stomach mucus. This mucus creates a natural shield inside your stomach, helping to protect your stomach lining from irritants like spicy foods, alcohol, and even certain medications that could cause irritation or discomfort. For many people, drinking a warm cup of bay leaf tea after a meal can make a world of difference. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle, soothing massage from the inside, leaving you feeling lighter, more comfortable, and much less bloated. Adding bay leaf tea to your routine can be an easy and natural way to support digestion and improve your overall sense of well-being, especially as we age. Whether you've just eaten a big meal or simply want to ease some mild digestive discomfort, this simple tea could be the gentle relief your stomach needs. Now that you know the amazing benefits, let's see just how easy it is to make bay leaf tea at home. You'll need 1 to 2 dried bay leaves, 1 cup, 240 to 250 milliliters of water. Preparation is simple. Bring your water to a boil. Pour the boiling water into a cup containing 1 or 2 dried bay leaves. Cover the cup with a small plate. This keeps all those healing compounds from escaping. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the leaves, and your healing tea is ready to enjoy. It's best to drink 1 cup daily, preferably after a meal to aid digestion. You can add a touch of honey if you like, but many people love its naturally mild aromatic flavor. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your health routine, especially if you have existing conditions. So, there you have it, 3 incredible benefits you could experience by drinking bay leaf tea daily. As we love hearing from you, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next.